What's going on, guys? Loser Driver Camera here. Welcome to Project Big Blue Part 2. I guess you call it Part 2. It's actually Episode 2. Today, we got Beav's grinder. If you haven't seen the video where he gave it to you, links in the description. Mint. We are getting this grinder up and ready, and we're going to start grinding. Beavs has some sand grit paper. Crap, I don't know. I gotta thank Beav again for this crap. But we're gonna be grinding this down, getting the crap. You're crap. And these gloves and glasses and stuff for this safety. And I'm not big into this machine because I don't know how to use it just yet. So Will's gonna be the guy using this until.
I've never used one of these.
Yeah, but I don't know. We're both gonna, I guess, attempt this and set you up on the tripod and video us doing this, huh? Mint!
Ayo, drop that shit. Okay.